Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another recreating Pinterest makeup looks for you guys, and I'm going to be using two palettes that I just recently got in the mail. I'm so excited. I kind of used them in the video before this, but I didn't really talk about them because it was a no narration video, but I have the Magic Mini and the Masquerade Mini from Juvia's Place. I'm so excited. I feel like everybody talks about these and has them in their collection, and I got a really good sale for them, so I'm really hyped and I hope you guys are too. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So this look right here is what I'm going to be creating. I hope you guys can see it okay. It is like a yellowy golden inner corner that fades out into like some orangey red and then blue on the lower lash line. I just think it's so pretty and I want to recreate it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it. And I'm going to be doing a talk through of this because I just have like some life updates and stuff like that to share with you. So bear with me, this is probably going to be a little bit of a longer video. Let me turn that down just a tad. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do, it looks like there is a nice neutral like brown crease. So I'm going to kind of build that up first. And I'm going to do that with my blinged brushes. This is the E1. It's their little angled crease brush. So the very first thing that I want to address is it is now August, so I will be going back to school soon. I will be moving into a new apartment off campus, so my filming space is not gonna be, obviously it's not gonna be at my house, but it's also not gonna be the school filming space that you guys are familiar with. This is a new location. I haven't moved in there yet, obviously, but I will be moving in there in about 2 weeks or so. So just wanted to let you guys know, be prepared for the filming location change. And also, once school starts, I'm going to be cutting back down to 1 video a week. So I've been doing 2 for a little while now, with the exception of a few weeks here and there, just because, you know, busy things. But you know, school it's gonna be a lot this year. I do still have my job on campus. I'm writing my senior thesis this year, so I'm gonna be focusing on that a lot. I of course have my normal classes, accounting, another psych class, and so I'm not taking my senior year easy. I'm not taking any BS classes or anything, so I'm going to cut down to 1 video a week. Plus, I'm helping out with my marching band back home here, and we're doing video lessons basically because of course everything going on with COVID, it's really hard for us to have an actual in-person meeting in season. So from school I'm going to be making videos and tutorials and stuff like that for my marching band, so I'm going to be taking some time to do that as well. So it's definitely going to be a busy semester, so I'm going to cut it back down to 1 video a week. And that will probably be a Monday upload. So I've been uploading Mondays and Thursdays at 11 recently, so I'm going to cut it down to just the Mondays at 11. So just giving you guys that heads up. But I hope you guys are still excited, and I will try to incorporate some vlogs in there because I know vlogs always do really well, and those are always fun to watch, especially for a senior year. So I'm going to blend out that brown really quick with the Farrah blending brush I use. I'm definitely a little nervous to go back to school. Of course, everything's still going on, and with working, I'm going to be a little bit more at risk than some of my peers, but I'm also ready to go back. I love being home, but at the same time, I've been home for a lot longer than I normally have been home the past few years, so I'm ready to go back. I finally have an apartment with friends that I've been close to for a while, so we're all really excited to have an apartment together, and it's right off campus, very close. It's really nice. It's a very nice apartment, so I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's gonna be cute. Let's see. I mean, that was kind of the main thing I really wanted to address. Oh, me and my friend Rachel, we are challenging each other right now to do 2 like physical fitness activities a day, because her and I have both gained some quarantine weight, and we want to get that that shiz out of here. So that's fun. I was supposed to do my second one when I got home, and I haven't done it yet. I wanted to get this filmed first. So I think I'm gonna get on the tread climber that is behind me, if you can see it over there. I worked this morning from 6:45 to 2. That was busy. Okay, I'm going to deepen it up just a little bit here in this outer corner. So I'm going to go in with, I just saw it, where'd it go? The Blinked Brushes E3, which is that more precise crease brush. And I'm going to go in with a mix of Burkina and the color I used before that I completely forgot to tell you guys was Nana over here. I have to do my second exercise soon so I don't cheap out. Cats are doing well. I'm sure you hear them in the background of half of my videos because they always like to make some sort of sound whenever I'm filming. They either like to eat or they like to climb up on the bed or something. They like to make a guest appearance in my videos, and I both love it and hate it. For those of you wondering what my plans are after undergrad, I will be taking a year off just to work and build up some money and start paying off my undergrad student loan debt. And then I'm going to go to a grad program for psychology, so I've been studying for the GRE, which is basically what I like to call the SAT for grad schools. So I've been studying that and will be studying that for a little bit, but I'm planning on going to a university more close to home, and either I'm planning on commuting, but I haven't decided yet. Just gonna blend this back out. Alright, so now we are going to start building up the lid. So I'm going to take a combination of the color Nubia right here and Giza right here to kind of mute out the gold a little bit. And I'm going to put that on the inner half of my lid. And I like to go in with my finger. I don't know why, that's just how I like to apply lid colors. And it doesn't look like it's a cut crease, so that's why I didn't cut my crease. It's a very soft, gentle look. So how are you all doing right now? I know the world has been a little topsy-turvy since 2020 started, so I hope you all are doing okay. I'm back at work, as I kind of mentioned. I started back a few weeks ago. So it's nice to be back at work, but it's definitely a little nerve-wracking because I'm like, oh, I'm more at risk and I don't want to get anybody else sick, and we have to be really cautious of if we have any symptoms whatsoever, even if we don't think it's COVID. If we even get like a headache that lasts more than a day, we're not supposed to come into work for 10 days. And so I'm like really nervous every time I wake up with like a small migraine. I'm like, oh my god. Kind of freak out a little bit. That is a really pretty color. I'm kind of digging this combo, I'm not gonna lie. I've started packing up for school. I have a little school pile over here, but we're not loading into the car until like the day before move-in. I'm going on vacation soon. Oh my gosh, I cannot even explain to you how much I need vacation. I do have videos going up that week while we are gone, but I'm probably going to be off of YouTube and mostly off of social media for that week. So if you see my social media presence go down a little bit, that is why. I'm on vacation and I really want to take it as a vacation. But I have already edited and uploaded 2 videos that are scheduled to go up that week, so there will still be content, and I think it'll be pretty interesting content. It's 2 of the same video that's split into 2 parts, so hope you're excited. Alright, so now to kind of blend that out and start to fade into the orangey red a little bit, I'm going to go in with a color of a combo of Usan or Osin and Zuba over here. I'm going to take that with this brush over here from Satina. This is a smudge brush. And I'm going to take a little more precise mirror, if I can. It's under my phone. I'm doing great, y'all. Oh, it's so pretty. It sounds like my cat is purring next to me, but she's nowhere to be found now. She like said what she needed to say and now she's gone. It's pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit more Zuba in it so you can kind of see that more pinky color to it. Okay. Okay, so now that I have that color in the middle, I think I'm gonna take a combination of Zakaya and Zuba and put that on the outer corner. Maybe put a little bit of Cairo, which is like a shimmery orange. Maybe put a little bit of that in there. But we'll start with just Zakaya and Zuba, and I'm just gonna take that on that same brush. Kind of build up that oranginess in the outer corner. Try to take a little bit of Cairo. Oh, that's much better. I can't wait to add the blue though. I feel like that's gonna look so stunning. Okay, so the upper portion of the lid is done, so now I'm going to go in for the lower lash line. And the lower lash line is, it looks like just one shade of blue, and it's like this beautiful light shade. So I think I'm going to take this color over here called Zola, and it's this beautiful light blue. I'm very excited for it. I swatched it the other day, and it was stunning. So excited about this palette collection here. Ooh, that's really pretty. I accidentally was hitting buttons on my phone apparently. Pretty. I think I need something a little bit darker. So I'm gonna combine Zola with Dahlia, which is a little bit of a darker blue. See if that gives me what I need. And I'm taking my blinged brushes, E6 for this. That's my angled brush. Ooh, yep. Yep, that is just what I needed. I'm gonna turn the exposure on this mirror down just a little bit. There we go. Now I feel like you guys can see the colors a little bit more. This color is so pretty. And it goes all the way to the inner corner, even into the tear duct a little bit. Which I don't normally do, but that's what they do, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, like this one from Satina, and just buff that out a little bit. That is a really pretty blue. I'm kind of living for it. This is the type of blue that I used to put on my upper and lower lash line all the time. I used to do this thing when I was younger and Percy Jackson, the book series, first came out. Thank you, Rick Riordan. And I used to, I don't know, I used to love Poseidon and love Percy, and I made myself a character. I created a whole character and backstory of Percy's sister. And I used to just be inspired by that all the time, so I would do like this perfectly neutral look with my Urban Decay Naked Basics palette, and then I would put a light blue on my upper and lower lash line, and that was like my homage to my father Poseidon, and like, I loved putting blue on my upper and lower lash line. It was my go-to look for a while. Okay, I am going to finish off the eye look and the face makeup, and we will come back to compare photos. Okay, this is the finished look. I'm kind of in love with it. So to compare side by side, I know it's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can turn maybe you can see that a little better. I will post comparison photos, but I think I did pretty okay. I think mine turned out a little on the cooler side than hers did. I feel like hers was more like copper tones and mine was a little like more pure gold and pure orange. Hers was more muted. I'm also 95% sure she's wearing false lashes in this photo, and I did not. I just opted for a thicker coat of mascara, but I love the color scheme. This blue on the lower lash line is everything, and I paired it with a nude berry lip, which is what I call my signature color. Overall, I love this look. Like I said, I will post some photos here at the end, some side-by-side, stuff like that. But that is everything. Like I said, I will be cutting down to 1 video a week starting at the end of August, probably through December or so. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like this series, don't forget to like the video. Let me know that you like the series in a comment down below. And keep an eye out for a super exciting video coming very shortly. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all very, very soon in my next video. Bye everybody!